All right, we got this little contraption right here. Now, what ended up happening was the tubing that was originally connected to this, it was short. It was too short, so I wanted something longer. But then when I looked at the tubing further or deeper, I saw that the tubing was cut. Now, this is the original tubing that came with it. This ended up, of course, this was going to happen with this type of material and you flexing it and moving it all the time. This was bound to happen. Probably is going to happen with that. We'll have to wait and see. But this is what came with it. It's a little on the short side and it's flimsy. So the water, when the water comes through it, is flapping everywhere. Wasn't really long enough. If I had to guess, this is about 4 feet, if that. This says it's 10 feet. I haven't measured it. It says it's 10 feet. So I can lay this down anywhere. Or the person using this wash basin can lay that down anywhere. And it comes with these clips. You want to make sure you get a 1 inch inner diameter. 1 inch inner. If you have this same portable wash basin, get the 1 inch inner diameter. You want the inner diameter because it has to go around this little thing that protrudes out of there. That's the outer diameter is 1 inch. So it fits right in there. It's snug. I almost didn't even want to put these on there, but I added this just to make sure it stayed on there. I probably should have put some type of epoxy or glue type substance around that before I put that on there, and then screwed these down as tight as I can screw them. So this is back in motion, back in rotation. This is ready to go. Yes. It says PVC tubing, 1 inch inner diameter, 1 1/4. Boom, 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 boom. This is the people I got mine from. There's a couple of different ones on here. Comes with 4 metal clamps. Paid about $21. Get the 10-foot or whatever one fits your need, but the longer you got, you can always cut down to whatever your need is.